Crash course on Uruguay. Overview: tranquil beaches, wine regions, and colonial towns. Welcome to a crash course on Uruguay, a captivating country known for its tranquil beaches, wine regions, and charming colonial towns. In this crash course, we will explore the culture, history, and geography of Uruguay, along with some interesting stories and examples that will excite your curiosity. We will also delve into the top 12 attractions that showcase the beauty and allure of this remarkable nation. Lastly, a poem will capture the essence and spirit of Uruguay. Uruguay is a small South American country nestled between Brazil and Argentina. Its diverse geography includes a stunning coastline along the Atlantic Ocean, picturesque rolling hills, fertile plains, and even small mountain ranges. This geographical diversity contributes to Uruguay's rich culture, history, and unique identity. Uruguay has a fascinating cultural heritage shaped by its history of colonization and immigration. The indigenous Charrua people inhabited the land long before the arrival of European settlers. The colonial period introduced Spanish influence and laid the foundation for the country's architecture, traditions, and language. One interesting story is the legend of La Mano en la Arena, or the Hand in the Sand, located in Punta del Este. This iconic sculpture by Chilean artist Mario Irarrázaval depicts a hand emerging from the sand, symbolizing human struggle and the connection between nature and humanity. Uruguay's history also includes a struggle for independence and subsequent periods of political and social transformation. The country has experienced periods of democratic governance, military dictatorship, and a return to democracy, reflecting the resilience and determination of its people. Now, let's explore the top 12 attractions that showcase Uruguay's beauty and cultural richness. 1. Montevideo, Uruguay's vibrant capital city, known for its charming old town, bustling markets, and lively cultural scene. 2. Punta del Este, a glamorous beach resort destination famous for its pristine beaches, luxury hotels, and vibrant nightlife. 3. Colonia del Sacramento, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, featuring well-preserved colonial architecture and cobblestone streets that take you back in time. 4. Piriápolis, a picturesque coastal town with beautiful beaches, stunning views from Cerro San Antonio, and soothing hot springs. 5. Cabo Polonio, a remote and unspoiled coastal village where you can disconnect from the world and immerse yourself in nature. 6. Punta del Diablo, a laid-back fishing village with sandy beaches, perfect for surfing and embracing a bohemian atmosphere. 7. Salto, known for its hot springs and thermal resorts, Salto offers relaxation and rejuvenation in natural thermal waters. 8. Tacuarembó, the birthplace of Carlos Gardel, a prominent figure in tango music, and a region rich in gaucho culture and traditions. 9. Santa Teresa National Park, a nature lover's paradise with diverse ecosystems, including forests, sand dunes, and a historic fortress overlooking the ocean. 10. Punta del Diablo, a charming coastal town with a bohemian vibe, sandy beaches, and an artistic community. 11. Valle de la Luna, located in Paysandú, this enchanting lunar-like landscape captivates visitors with its unique rock formations and natural beauty. 12. La Paloma, a seaside resort town known for its beautiful beaches, vibrant surf culture, and relaxed atmosphere. In summary, Uruguay's tranquil beaches, wine regions, and colonial towns offer a unique blend of natural beauty, cultural heritage, and relaxation. From the lively streets of Montevideo to the charming cobblestone roads of Colonia del Sacramento, Uruguay invites you to immerse yourself in its rich history and captivating landscapes. And now, a poem inspired by the beauty and spirit of Uruguay. In Uruguay's embrace, tranquility flows. Where tranquil beaches and wine regions impose. Colonial towns with cobbled streets. Whisper stories of history, enchanting retreats. Montevideo, a vibrant heartbeat. Culture and art on every street. Punta del Este, where luxury shines. Nightlife and beaches intertwined. Colonia del Sacramento, a glimpse of the past. With cobblestone streets, a story amassed. Piriápolis's beauty, hills embrace. Hot springs soothe, in a state of grace. Cabo Polonio, remote and serene. Nature's wonder, a peaceful scene. Tacuarembó, Gaucho's land. Where tango melodies, souls understand. Santa Teresa, a fortress stands. Guarding nature's wonders, untouched lands. Valle de la Luna, a lunar sight. Majestic rocks, bathed in light. La Paloma's beaches, golden sand. Surfer's paradise, dreams expand. Uruguay's allure, a tranquil retreat. Where beauty and culture tenderly meet. Asterisk 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 Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for supporting our Anhub Metaverse channel, and may Uruguay's tranquility and charm accompany you on your journey.